Hello everyone, this is Johnson from BULBTEK. Right now I'm showing you the replacement of the original HID Xenon bulb. This car is AUDI TTS 2010 year version, and the bulb model is D1S. Okay, here we go.
Nice.
Open the hood. Loosen the screws. Pull the plug. Take out the headlight kit. Take off the defective D1S Xenon. Replace BULBTEK's super bright D1S Xenon. Install the headlight kit back. Tighten the screws. Connect the plug. Finally, light up to check the performance. Okay, we finally finished the replacement. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.